Hi there, Silvio here, your English teacher, and today we are going to go to our lesson number 202. Let's go. In today's class, you are going to understand how we can ask questions, negative questions, using the past perfect tense. Let's go. So, if you know how to ask questions using the modal verbs, the present perfect tense, and also how to make affirmative questions using the past perfect tense as we saw in last class yesterday, you will also understand how we can ask negative questions using this verb tense. Look at this first situation. Hadn't they left the restaurant before the storm started? So here we have a question, and as you know, we place had before the person, and we want to make it become negative. We just need to put had in the negative form, which means that we can contract had and not, and it becomes hadn't, as we were asking questions in the present perfect tense using haven't or hasn't in the beginning of the sentence, in the beginning of the question. Hadn't is used in the beginning of the question using the past perfect tense. Or, if you want, we can use had and the person and not after the person or before the main verb of the sentence. Hadn't they left the restaurant before the storm started? So here you have a contracted interrogative sentence in the negative also. And here we have, had we not already discussed this issue before the meeting? Here you have a negative question in its full form. Let's see a couple of more questions. Hadn't they already seen that movie before? Before what? Well, we don't know in this sentence, but by the context, we might know what they are talking about. Why had she not practiced enough before the competition? Here you have a question, but also using a question word, in this case, why. And then you have this question in its full form. Had, person, not, and the main verb in the past participle tense. As you know, the past perfect tense is a tense used when we want to express situations that happened before another action or situation in the past. And the structure is person, and then we have had, and then we have the verb in the past participle tense. And when we wanted to make questions, we just need to place the had before the subject, before the person in the question, just like we did using the present perfect tense and the modal verbs, the auxiliary verbs, and also the verb to be right in the beginning of the course. Okay, so that's it. All right. And well, we have finished today's class. I hope you have enjoyed. Do not forget to drink water. As always, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.